So as you can see, this is a bag that I bought that we are unboxing right now, and this was just a want that I needed from the time we shifted. That's the bag. You can see the color. It's a messenger bag, and yeah, that's what it looks like. Isn't it cool? I just bought it because I needed to keep my laptop safe while traveling or whenever I'm going for my classes. This is gonna help to keep my laptop protected. That's the view of the bag from the outside, and we're gonna now see the inside part. So that's how it looks from inside. There is a compartment for laptop and the other things. It has only one zip. That's it.
ये देखो और एक कुछ ना कुछ मंगाता ही रहता है ये भाई बहुत पैसा है इसके पास